And now, what we've all been dreading. The big, bad bubble. Words by Adam Rubin. Pictures by Daniel Salmieri.
Bubble.
Blink! You may not know this, but when a bubble pops, it doesn't just disappear. It reappears in La La Land, where the monsters live. Blink! For some reason, all the big, scary monsters are terrified of bubbles. Yerbert, what's the matter? Frolful, why are you running away? Rumpus, stop crying. Tell Rumpus to stop crying. Turns out, it's all Mogo's fault. When he was little, a chewing gum bubble attacked his face. Since then, all he can talk about is how dangerous bubbles are. He's giving a lesson. It says, today's lessons. Bubble facts. Bubbles are sneaky. You never hear them coming. When there's one bubble, there are many bubbles. They travel in packs. Summer is the worst time for bubbles. That's when they go into a feeding frenzy. Rah! Don't listen to Mongo. He has no idea what he's talking about. I'll admit, it's a bit surprising when a bubble suddenly appears out of nowhere, but that's part of the deal with living in La La Land. On the plus side, donuts grow on trees. And the rent is cheap. Wow, look at that big grand house. And you can rent it for only $26 per month. I think I would move there in a heartbeat. Guess it all depends on how close it is to Trader Joe's. Hey, look, here comes a bubble now. Yerbert, stop running around in circles. You have giant fangs. Frolful, climb down from that tree. Look at your claws. You have pointy claws. Rumpus, get out from under those covers. You are too big for that bed anyhow. Bubbles kill thousands of monsters every year. No, they don't. Oh yeah, prove it. Look, here's a bubble. It's just a thin layer of soap and water wrapped around a ball of air. It's soft and delicate. It couldn't hurt a fly. You could pop it with a little finger. Here, try. Here it comes. Blink! See? Yerbert, use your fangs. Frolful, use your claws. Rumpus, don't be scared. It's just a teeny tiny... Oh, wait, that's kind of a big one. He's a goner. Quiet, Mongo. Go on, Rumpus. You can do it. Tell Rumpus he can do it. Well, here he is charging it. Kaboom! See? See, Mongo? Mongo doesn't know what he's talking about. There's no reason to be afraid. Enjoy your bubblegum, Yerbert. Have fun popping your bubble wrap, Frolful.
Bubbles.
Yeah, bubbles. Oh boy, that's a big bath full of bubbles, Rumpus. Tell Rumpus to save some water for the fish. Yeah. Splash, splash, splash. Fine, maybe bubbles aren't so dangerous after all. Butterflies, on the other hand. He's got a book called The Truth About Butterflies by Mongo Pongo.
Butterflies.
Wow, you make butterflies sound terrifying. There they are running away from the butterfly. What kind of butterfly is that?
Orange.
It's an orange one. Say monarch.
Mama.
Say it louder.
Mama.
Monarch.
No.
Monarch butterfly.
Mama. Butterfly.
Hey, thanks for reading that with me. I want you to know something. It's very important. It is easy to be scared of things, but sometimes we need to be brave when we encounter them. Hold that nugget like an invisible bubble and blow it onto the things that scare you. I'm Carmabela. This is Sunshine.
Hi.
We love reading with you. Make sure to subscribe so you can keep reading with us too. Bye-bye.